The harsh truth most people won't tell you is no one truly cares. Not about your fears, and definitely not about the excuses that keep holding you back. No one truly cares. You made it up yourself. You cooked up your insecurities yourself. Nobody cares what your background looks like, what your complexion looks like, or even how you look. Nobody cares. You cooked up your insecurities yourself, and that's the reason why you haven't started your content creation journey. Listen, start with a positive mindset and stop bothering about what people will say or what people think. Once you stop waiting for people to clap for you, to believe in you and respect your vision, that's when you actually take control. Stop waiting for people to clap for you. Take control now and start your content creation journey. You see those people that you call family and friends, quote unquote, those are the last people that will support you. Those are the last people that will clap for you. But don't let that bother you. There are a lot of strangers out there interested in your content, and those ones are ever ready to support you. Those strangers are ever ready to support you. Your family and friends, they will come along later when you start winning, and that's why you should take control now. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to earn the views, you have to fight for the subscribers, and even the growth. You have to work very hard for it, because at the end of the day, you are all that you got. It's all on you to do well, to grow and strive in this online space. Don't post for applause, show up for purpose, and stop waiting to get discovered. Post what cannot be ignored. Listen, if you're waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect support system, the perfect gadget, the perfect everything, you will not start. So just stop waiting for the perfect everything and start now. Start with what you have. If you're still watching at this point, smash that like button right now, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. You already have everything you need to start. Start now. Start with what you have. You already have everything you need. That phone in your hands can start, can video. That phone in your hand can capture memories. That phone in your hand can do a lot of things. There are a lot of things you can put together to form your tripod. You can use your real voice and amplify your audio when you are editing your video. There are a lot of free editing apps you can use. Just start. The truth is, no one truly cares until you make them care. Show them through your consistency, show them through your work, show them through the results they cannot ignore. When they finally start paying attention, you won't need their validation because you built it without them. Subscribe if you are done waiting on people and ready to bet on yourself. Make sure to like this video and drop me your comments. Until next time, bye.